from the boundary of the airfield, which has sent it down into a bank. It's then skidded across the Goodwood motor racing circuit and come to rest some 50 or 60 yards short of the actual runway.
Instructors and pilots from the flying school ran to help and put out the fire in the engine. But one man was already dead and the second died soon afterwards. A car club was just beginning its meeting at the race circuit.
They had their annual club day here starting at 9 o'clock. The accident, which happened at 9:05, they were only a few minutes into their day. They appreciated what was happened. They just stopped everything, had 10 minutes silence and packed up and went home.
The plane seen here on this video was a rare two-seater Mark 9 Spitfire from the 40s. There are now very few of this aircraft still flying in this, the 60th anniversary year of the Battle of Britain, when Spitfires and their pilots earned so much affection and respect. Jane Bennett-Powell, BBC News, Goodwood, West Sussex.